In question 7, we've got a comparison of interest earned from two different bank accounts. Now, Ali invests in Bank A and Badia invests in Bank B. And we're told that Ali will have received more interest than Badia, but how much more? So it's just a comparison of two bank accounts. So let's just deal with A first. Now, the initial investment is 25,000. It's compound interest at 4.5% for 3 years. Now, what's our multiplying number that 4.5 generates that is going to act on the 25,000 each year because it's compound interest? Well, in this case, the multiplying factor is equal to 1.045. After 3 years, the account has $25,000. That's not going to shift, multiplied by 1.045, and this is cubed. Pop that into a calculator, and this turns out to be 28,529 and 15. Here are the facts for B. 25,000 is invested, that remains, and B receives 1150 in interest every year. After 3 years, the account has the 25,000 plus 3 lots of 1150 as interest, and that turns out to be $28,450. Okay, so yes, indeed, Ali does earn more interest. So I can say that the difference, which is equal to $79.15. And that's your answer. Oh yes, they wanted this to the nearest dollar, so this is all $79. And there you have it.